Preparation. On most modern single-visor masks, the harness can be stretched over the front of the mask. The top and middle straps must be preset to your head, and the bottom straps should be loosened. Step 1. If exposed to an immediate CBRN threat, close your eyes, hold your breath, and retrieve your mask. Step 2. Firmly press the mask against your face. While maintaining pressure, reach over the front of the mask and pull the harness securely over your head. Step 3. Using both hands, tighten the bottom straps until the mask is snug and properly seated on your face. Step 4. Aggressively exhale to purge any potentially contaminated air that may have entered the mask during the donning process. Step 5. Perform a negative pressure test. Cover the filter intake with your hand and inhale. If the mask is properly sealed, the rubber of the mask should collapse against your face and remain collapsed while inhaling.